Hello guys and welcome to Al Crash Repair Center. This is the best Nissan Skyline GTR R34 in active red. The restoration, the restore has been done, is finished. You have seen the previous videos and now we reach the moment to assemble the car. Let me show you all the parts we need to put on the car. It just look like brand new again. This is the subframe being stored. This is the bits of pieces here, drive shafts, the hubs, everything is being done perfectly, be wrapped, and now we need to assemble it. This is the rear subframe as well. As you can see, everything look like brand new again. Everything. New bushes, all new, everything new. The drive shafts, the way it's been done, of course, sandblast, restored the subframes. It looks absolutely insane. So now time to put it back together. We run the wires, the most of the wires been run already. We put them back on and now it's time to put everything back together. So now the subframe already on, the front one. Then we need to unwrap all these, install the drive shaft on the front, and then put the hubs. Then we got the shock absorber as well. It's gonna go. Anti-roll bar already on. That little stabilizer. This is, by the way, an upgraded anti-roll bar. So yeah, we're getting there. So beautiful. As you can see guys, now everything's been back on at the moment. Of course, regarding the wiring, all the wiring has to be deleted. The tuning, they're gonna build and they're gonna custom make wiring loom for that engine. Absolutely special wiring going to be. Everything is upgraded. This is being upgraded. Anti-roll bar, top arm, the hub arm carrier, that's been upgraded as well. You can see there's some adjustment into them. It's so beautiful, very clean. And now we're gonna start on the back. As you can see, not even a single screw or nut on the back of the car. So I'm going to start building it up, put everything back together. So as you can see at the moment, got the rear subframe already on, bits of pieces. Now we putting it back together, and then got that arm goes across the car. This is for the near side. This is for the left side, offside, and then that bit goes just right on the top of it, like that. So basically, this is only comes with the GTR. On the GTT, you will never see that bar here across the car. So yeah, that nut here, just secure it, this side, that side, and now we can put the bolts here. And of course the petrol tank, brand new petrol tank. These are the clamps. This is the genuine clamp. The other one we have to make it was a bit rusty, so we made it ourselves. Unfortunately been discontinued. So this one as well, you can see it a little bit wider, the genuine one a little bit thinner. So basically we made that one here as well, so we couldn't find them. So basically what we're doing now, this is a heat shield sheet, aluminium, because that heat shield, it's a bit rusty in both ways, so we're not gonna use it anymore. So we decided to do a new one, so we're reshaping it ourselves and then get it done. Like original, Mr. Benjamin, original. So that goes here. Perfect. Wow, amazing. Okay. So basically this is the old one. Here you go. That's the new one. That's done. Looks absolutely perfect. Happy with the result. Now, as you can see, guys, this is the petrol tank, and this is the heat shield is being fabricated, and we put it on. And this is the exhaust back box heat shield. That's how this is the result. That's how it looks like when we fabricate it. It's absolutely insane beautiful when we fit it on, because as you know, guys, this is, you cannot get it anymore. So this is the result. That's the genuine one. It was pretty good, nice. So we just restore it and then paint it and we put it back on. So yeah, guys, so this is how far we are on the project. We put the most of the panels on, window screens on. So now we have to make a holes here to put extra locks, security locks for the bonnet. So that's the engine bay. Everything is being painted. We went a bit crazy with those things, you know, make it only red and black the engine bay is going to be, and then we ordered that bit from Australia, all different sizes on screws. This is especially for the Nissan Skyline, so all sizes on it, nuts and bolts. It's absolutely perfect, and this is very handy, guys, if you want to buy it. So this is the brand, and so it's absolutely galvanized and colored in black. Those won't rust in the future, so I highly recommend to buy that box, guys. It's very handy, very handy. Guys, I will definitely keep you updated on that. I really appreciate you watching as well. Please, I really need your comment and your subscribe and like and share. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.